Hey guys, how you doing? It's Gavin here from the Growing Younger team, and this exercise is a goblet squat with a box assist. And the reason why we're going to be using the box for this exercise is a lot of us don't actually get low enough in our squat, but this is a good way for you to kind of be honest with yourself and get some reinforcement. So you're going to hold the dumbbell just in your hands this way, just in the palms of your hands. Looks like the front. You're going to keep it close to your chest. So you're not going to leave it out this way, you're going to bring it nice and close to your chest. Then you're going to find a box or a bench or anything that allows you to sit on and your knees are about 90 degrees with the floor. Bring your elbows in, keep the dumbbell close to your chest, and with your feet, keep them about a 10 to 2 position or about this sort of width apart, okay? It's going to engage the quads a little bit more. Close to your body, chest up nice and tall, shoulders down and back, and push up through the heels. As you come up, hinge backwards, 1, 2, 3, 4. As soon as I touch the box, stand back up. 1, 2, 3, 4, touch the box, and stand back up. If you find you get to this position and you sit, that's fine. Just over time, try and control it as best you can until you can control the whole range of movement. That's pretty much the box squat version with a dumbbell. Hope you liked the video, guys. If you did, leave a comment and thumbs up below, and I will see you on the next exercise.